purchase for it to help you get the results you want to achieve. Yes. Yes, you can see me doing my hair because I'm trying to check if my hair is intact, because this video is all about hair. Today's video will be covering up everything hair, everything concerning your hair, everything about your hair. So that's what you're going to be doing today. And if this is the kind of video you would like to watch, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And of course, at the end of the video, if you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. And please comment down in the comment section whatever you want me to do, and I'll do it with love. And then share this video with your family and friends, because I know that they too will also learn one or two on it when they watch it. So without no further ado, let's go. Yes, in today's video about the hair, today is about everything hair. In my last previous video, I've been covering about everything, shower, everything dental, everything, so on and so forth. But today's video, it will be everything hair. And so we will start with how we take care of our hair. For me, I take care of my hair by washing it with a shampoo. Okay, I use this Mega Growth shampoo, but recently there's this particular one that I got from a friend. It's actually for kids, but it works very well with my hair, because after using it to wash my hair becomes very soft and very silky, because it has the washing properties inside, and it also has the conditioning properties inside. And when I mean the properties, because of the way my hair was doing, at first I started with Mega Growth. Mind you, this video is not sponsored by any brand that I mentioned here. It is my own preference that I've used, that I wish to share with you, because I used it and it works for me. For those that are suffering or having the hair issues that I faced back then, but it has improved now with these products. So yes, so I was having a terrible dandruff back then, and I had this dry scalp, so I heard of Mega Growth and I bought the anti dandruff shampoo, and I also bought the detangling conditioner, and I think I bought the leave-in treatment cup cream. I will set the pictures of everything here for you to see. It really worked. Yes, Mega Growth product. It really worked, especially with the anti dandruff shampoo. It was really nice. The smell of that shampoo was wonderful. Mind you, it's going to be more of peppery, because it has a menthol properties inside, but then it work. Like, I used to suffer a tangled hair, like my hair really tangled, but after one use of Mega Growth anti-dandruff shampoo, my loves, my hair was soft, silky, smooth, and very easy to comb. No more tangling, no more whatever. Like, my hair was really getting better. Yes. So I would say, because I have used Mega Growth and it really worked for me. So yes. But another one came up. My friend gifted me this one and it was also good. I've forgotten the name. I'm going to put the picture here. So this particular one, it's a very nice. In fact, it's meant for kids. It's actually meant for kids' hair. And you know one thing about kids' hair. Do you get? But because of the situation of my hair, I decided to use it. And oh my God, it was fantastic. The smell alone is divine. The smell alone is fantastic. Like, when you use it to wash your hair, oh my goodness, there is no need for you to apply any hair fragrance, and we'll talk about that later in this video. Like, it makes your hair smell so nice, and it makes your hair very silky, very soft after use. That's how good this one is. This is a 2-in-1 shampoo, so you don't even need to go in with a conditioner with this particular shampoo that you're seeing here. It's a 2-in-1. It does the work of two mighty soldiers on your hair. Yes, so it's a very nice one. So like when you start with the shampoo, the next thing to go in is to start with a conditioner. If it's this particular two-in-one that you're going to be using, you don't need to use a conditioner. It has a conditioner already inside, so you don't even need. But if it is the type of the mega glue that I use, then you have to get a conditioner, because the anti-dandruff is actually a shampoo wash, and then there's a conditioner attached also you can use after the shampoo. So yes, you go in with your conditioner, your hair conditioner, because yes, your hair needs to be conditioned back to its natural states. And after which, you're please, for those of us that are usually wash at home and do all these things at home, try and make sure that your hair are properly dried. Ensure that your hair is properly dried. A lot of us fall victim about this. We just wash our, because we are in the comfort of our home. You then wash your hair, and then you just like leave the hair moist and all that stuff. It's not good. I don't know how it worked for some people, but it didn't work for me. So I ensure that I properly dry my hair. There are many blow dryers in the market. There are many tech has makes so things so easy for us. There are many blow dryers, not like those mighty huge ones we usually see at the salon whenever we go to the salon. So yes, there are many blow dryers in the market, even mini straighteners, mini hot combs, all that kind of stuff. You can just get your hands on it, and then if, since you want to do it yourself at home, DIY, then please properly make sure that your hair is dry after you wash and condition it. Then you can then move to curling your hair. Please do not leave your hair like that. I don't know how it works for some girls, but for me, after I do all these things and dry my hair, I cannot leave my hair. I see many girls pack their hair just like that. Mine, once I've lose the cornrow, my hair will start breaking. So I don't really I don't like leaving my hair like that. I don't know how it makes, for me, elegance as a lady growing up growing up is not me leaving my hair like that because I just want to leave my natural hair. I'll now come and packing. Nah, it's not going to be working for me. For me, I will cornroll it. When I make cornrow, like braiding it all back like this, just to make sure that I still look girly and I still look good. For those that are packing your hair, no be me. After the cornrows, I go in with my hair oil, my hair cream. There are lots of hair oil and hair cream in the market. Please gravitate to the good ones. I don't know if I should make another video on the ingredients to look out for in buying a hair cream that will be good for your hair growth and maintenance and all that kind of stuff. Even though, if you want that kind of video, please state it down in the comment section. I'll be willing to make that video for you. So yes, get a good hair oil, get a good hair cream. There are kind of hair oil and hair cream you should be using, especially if you have any hair concerns. If it is you want a rapid hair growth, there are ingredients to look out for in a hair cream that you would like to purchase for it to help you get the results you want to achieve. Yes. So yeah, and after which is the hair fragrance. I know that most of you will be like, what is hair fragrance again? Yes, there is something called hair fragrance, and you need to be applying it on your hair. Quote me. I'm serious. Apply it on your hair. You can't be having that sweaty kind of smell on your hair, especially girlies that sweat a lot, especially on their scalp. Don't you know that when you this Valentine season and you want to hug somebody, and the person want to hug you and he smell your hair with the sweat and everything, you think it's going to be a good one? It's not going to be a good one. I use hair fragrance. There are nice hair fragrance in the market there. If you cannot afford to buy one hair fragrance, then please, if it is your perfume, use your perfume. So yes, please don't be caught not using a hair fragrance, please, because of those that sweat on their hair, and the next thing is their hair is smelling like what I don't understand. Please don't be caught, my girlies, my women, my queens. Don't be caught, including the men. Men, don't be caught, please. I cannot come and hug you and your hair is smelling one. Please, I can't come and. I take very good care of myself, so please do likewise, men. All right, the next video you're going to be watching after this will be everything lotion, everything fragrance, everything that will be the last everything skincare routine that will be covering up for this week. And because we're enjoying the Valentine's week, please stay blessed. I love you. If this video, if you love this video, please kindly do well to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down whatever kind of video you want me to do for you. I'll do it with love, and please share it to your family and friends that also be learning and be needing this. See, I see you in the next video. I always love you. Stay blessed, okay?